Not too bad. Cold start. Never mind. Ah. Ah, not maybe. First 3 rounds pretty good. That's actually pretty good fucking group. Got through that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 miss.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go like this though. They're like in front of you.
1 mic.
0 10.
No, but like good.
Oh, you said right here.
I said hand size group.
Okay.
For what? Lower body fucking deck.
6 shots. 6 shots.
Of course, just thinking about it.
Yeah, you still got him.
Yeah.
But
at the 7, we're hard group. But I mean,
all right,
5 shots. I'm just saying. Oh, is that only 4?
Okay.
He's daff on the left.
So how did you do it?
So I did double body, head, body, head.
Okay,
So
6
it's
shots.
going in an X.
Okay, so
Yeah, it's box drill, but an X.
I might need help. You make it look so easy.
Because there's a little nub you gotta flick. You got some good hits. Good. I mean, that's still pretty good though for a smaller target. I feel like I'm so weird. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, it's the extractor?
Yeah.
Okay.